So guys, let's go to some food. Food. Gonna put them. Wait. Give me the food. Some scissors. This one's for you. That's not mine. This is for me. Cheesecake. Philippine food. Philippine food. Cheesecake. Cheesecake. I'm gonna add part 2. I'm gonna add part. I'm gonna check. Go eat. Huh? What is that? This is good. Let me bring you here to this. Part 2. I'm gonna add part 2. The part 2 is the finish. It literally tastes like a cheesy with a cream. Cheese with a cream. Then they mix it, a little bit of egg, and then salt. They bake it, and this is how it looks. It's literally good.